Take a deep breath. Just for a moment, let your shoulders relax. I know life doesn't always make sense while you're living through it. Sometimes you give your best, stay patient, pray with all your heart, and still wonder why nothing seems to be changing. But what if? The silence isn't a sign that you've been forgotten. What if the delays are quietly protecting you? And what if, at this very moment, life is arranging everything in ways you simply can't see yet? Stay with me and let these words remind your heart of something it may have forgotten. Now close your eyes if you can. Breathe in slowly and allow every affirmation to settle gently into your mind. I trust that everything is unfolding in my favor, even when I cannot see the whole picture. I know life is working behind the scenes for me. Every delay is creating space for something better. Every closed door is guiding me toward the one that truly belongs to me. I release the need to control every outcome. I choose peace over worry. I choose faith over fear. I allow life to surprise me in beautiful ways. The opportunities meant for me are already finding their way to me. The right people are entering my life at the perfect time. Every challenge is preparing me for greater blessings. I no longer believe that setbacks define my future. I believe they are simply part of my journey. I am becoming stronger, wiser, and more confident with every experience. My heart is open to unexpected miracles. I welcome abundance in every form. I deserve love that feels safe. I deserve success that feels fulfilling. I deserve peace that stays with me. Everything I have been waiting for is moving closer every single day. My dreams are not forgotten. My prayers are not ignored. My efforts are never wasted. Life remembers every seed I have planted with hope. I let go of the pressure to have all the answers today. I trust the timing of my life. I trust the path I am walking. I trust that every step is leading me exactly where I need to be. There is no need to rush. There is no need to compare my journey with anyone else's. What is meant for me will never miss me. The universe is aligning people, places, and opportunities in my favor. I am safe, I am supported, I am guided, I am exactly where I need to be in this moment. Every sunrise brings new possibilities. Every breath fills me with hope. Every day, my life becomes more beautiful than I imagined. I choose gratitude even before I see the results, because I know that gratitude opens the door to even greater blessings. Everything is unfolding in my favor. Not someday, not eventually, right now, in ways both seen and unseen. Take one more slow, peaceful breath. Feel the calm replacing the worry. Feel the hope replacing the doubt. And carry this quiet confidence with you throughout your day. The story of your life is still being written, and some of its most beautiful chapters haven't happened yet. If this message found you at the right time, write "I trust the process" in the comments. Share this affirmation with someone who needs a little hope today. And don't forget to subscribe, because every day is another opportunity to remind yourself that your best days are still ahead.